It started as fireworks, a brilliant flash in ancient China, but it would change the world as a weapon. Invented by alchemists over 1,000 years ago, the formula spread from China along the Silk Road. Soldiers armed with early fire lances showed its deadly potential, transforming war forever. From the cannons that blasted medieval walls to rubble, to the muskets that echoed across battlefields in perfect formation, empires like the Ottomans rose and fell on its explosive spark. Gunpowder, the accidental discovery that intentionally reshaped the balance of power.